Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add GIFs in CapCut Video Editor. This is a really useful feature to know because animated GIFs can quickly make your video feel more alive, especially when you want to add humor, reactions, movement, or visual direction without doing any advanced editing. If you want to make your videos more fun, more expressive, or just a little more eye-catching, adding a GIF is one of the easiest ways to do it. This works great for animated stickers, meme reactions, arrows, and other moving elements that help highlight something on screen. The nice part is that CapCut on PC already has a built-in way to find and insert GIFs, so you do not need to leave the editor or download anything separately. This saves time and keeps your workflow simple because you can search, add, resize, and time the GIF all from inside the same editing screen. To get started, go to the top left area of CapCut and click on the Stickers tab. Once that opens, look over to the category list on the left sidebar. Scroll down through the available options until you find the GIF section, then click on it. This opens CapCut's built-in GIF search tool, which makes the whole process quick and convenient. If you're making short-form videos, tutorials, reaction clips, or social media edits, this section is especially helpful because it gives you ready-made animated elements without needing to design them yourself. Now, click into the search bar at the top and type in the kind of GIF you want to use. For example, you might search for something like an arrow, a reaction animation, or a meme-style graphic that matches the tone of your video. After that, browse through the moving results and take a moment to find one that fits well with your content. A good tip is to choose a GIF that supports the moment instead of distracting from it. For example, use an arrow to point at an important button, a laughing reaction for a funny clip, or a small animated icon to make a tutorial step easier to notice. When you find a GIF you like, click the blue plus icon on the thumbnail. CapCut will instantly place it onto your timeline as an overlay layer. This means the GIF sits above your main video clip, so you can control it separately without affecting the original footage. That makes it easy to adjust the animation, move it around, or remove it later if you change your mind. Once the GIF appears on your timeline, click to select that layer. Then, move to the center preview window where you can adjust how it looks on screen. Use the corner handles to make the GIF smaller or larger, depending on how prominent you want it to be. You can also drag it around and position it exactly where it should appear in the frame. This is especially useful if you want the GIF to point at something, react to a moment, or sit neatly in a corner without blocking important parts of your video. Try to keep it away from faces, captions, buttons, or main action, so the viewer can still focus on the actual content. If you want to control how long the GIF stays visible, go back down to the timeline and drag the edges of the GIF layer. Shortening it will make the animation disappear sooner, while extending it will keep it on screen longer. This gives you simple timing control, so the GIF appears exactly when you need it. Timing is important because a GIF usually works best when it appears right on a reaction, punchline, transition, or key visual moment. You can also play the clip back once or twice to make sure the animation feels natural with the pacing of your edit. And that's it. You've added an animated accent directly inside CapCut using its native search engine, and your video is ready to feel more dynamic and engaging. Once you get comfortable with this method, you can use GIFs to make your edits more entertaining, easier to follow, and more visually interesting in just a few clicks.